Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most useful tech gear on the market. Today, we're taking a look at what we believe is the best stand Type 10W wireless charger available right now, the Yootech wireless charging stand. Let's start with what sets this wireless charger apart. This Yootech stand isn't just a wireless charger, it's an intelligently designed, no-fuss solution for your everyday power needs. With support for 3 distinct charging modes, it caters to a broad spectrum of devices. For iPhones, including the latest iPhone 17 series and all the way down to the iPhone 8, it offers a 7.5W charging mode. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy device like the S25, S24, or even the older S10 or Note series, it kicks it up to a 10W mode. And if you've got something like a Google Pixel or any other Qi-enabled device, the universal 5W mode has you covered. But power delivery is only half the story here. The form factor is where the Yootech really shines. Most flat pads force you to guess where to place your phone to get it charging. Not this one. With dual coils inside, the Yootech stand gives you a much wider charging area. Whether you place your phone vertically for FaceTime or horizontally to binge your favorite series, your device will continue to charge, uninterrupted. And speaking of uninterrupted, they've made this stand sleep-friendly too. Here's how it works. Once you plug it in and place your phone, the LED indicator flashes green briefly, stays on to confirm the connection, and then completely turns off during charging. That means no annoying blinking lights on your nightstand when you're trying to sleep. Now, when it comes to safety, Yootech has taken 0 chances. The stand is equipped with built-in protections against overheating, surges, and short circuits. Plus, the body is made from fire-resistant ABS material. So not only is your device in safe hands, your peace of mind is too. One quick note though, the AC adapter is not included in the box. If you've already got one lying around, you're good to go. Otherwise, it's a small extra to ensure fast, efficient charging. In the box, you'll find the Yootech wireless charging stand itself, a USB Type-C cable that's 3.3 feet long, and a user manual. And if you ever run into issues, they promise a reliable 12-hour customer response time, a solid reassurance in today's customer support landscape. All in all, the Yootech wireless charging stand is the kind of product that doesn't overpromise, but absolutely overdelivers. It's affordable, reliable, widely compatible, and clearly designed with user convenience in mind. If you're looking to simplify your daily charging routine while keeping your desk or bedside neat and stylish, this stand is an easy recommendation. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss our next critique. See you next time.